Looking for a safe place to store your crypto? Let's talk about Trust Wallet. In this full tutorial and setup guide, I'll show you what Trust Wallet is, how it works, and how you can start using it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to manage your crypto safely and confidently. Trust Wallet is a free, secure mobile app that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It supports thousands of tokens and blockchains, giving you full control of your private keys. Unlike centralized exchanges, you own your crypto, no middleman, no restrictions. Download Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a new wallet. You'll be given a seed phrase, 12 words that act as your master key. Write them down and store them offline. Never share them with anyone. Enable biometric login or a strong passcode. Keep your seed phrase offline, never screenshot it. Consider using a hardware wallet for large amounts. To receive crypto, tap on the coin you want and copy your wallet address. Share this address with the sender or use it to transfer from an exchange. To send crypto, paste the recipient's address, enter the amount, and confirm. Always double-check the address before sending. Trust Wallet lets you swap tokens directly inside the app. You can connect to decentralized apps and explore DeFi opportunities. It even supports buying crypto with Apple Pay or credit card in some regions. So that's Trust Wallet, a simple, secure, and beginner-friendly crypto wallet. Download it, set up your seed phrase, and start managing your crypto today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.